Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to safely use your Honda Accord jack. First, always consult your owner's manual to find the specific jacking points for your model. Make sure your car is on a completely flat and stable surface. Gather all your tools, including the jack stands, and wheel chocks, before you begin. Safety is paramount when working under any vehicle. Before lifting, engage your parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This prevents any accidental rolling. If you plan to remove a wheel, slightly loosen its lug nuts while the car is still on the ground. Then, carefully position your jack precisely under the correct jacking point as indicated in your manual. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. While it won't help you lift your car, it can certainly play some great tunes while you work. Check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, slowly begin to raise your Honda Accord with the jack. Continue lifting until the tire you are working on is completely clear of the ground. Once lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands securely under the vehicle's frame, adjacent to your jack point. Then, gently lower the car onto these jack stands, ensuring the vehicle is stable and fully supported before proceeding. When you are ready to lower your vehicle, first raise it slightly with the jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Once the stands are safely out of the way, slowly and carefully lower your Honda Accord completely to the ground using the jack. After the wheel is on the ground, tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to the manufacturer's specified torque.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.